It's going to be tonight's audience. I have their flyers printed out in front of them, and I have it right here as well. Okay. Tonight, I'll be talking about why everyone should work in the food service industry at least once. Imagine this. You're standing in a hot kitchen. It's 7:30 on a Friday night. The ticket machine right next to you is printing what seems like an endless amount of orders. You have a group of diners angry at you because their food has been taking forever. Their appetite has been taking forever. And on top of that, your heart is racing, your feet ache, and you have to somehow fix everything with a smile on your face. Today, I'll be convincing you and everyone in this room why they should go through this exact same situation. I believe that everyone should get to experience working in the food service or hospitality industry at least once in their lives. Take a look at the flyers that I've passed out. Looks like your standard help wanted sign, but if you read the fine print, these are actual physical, mental, and emotional requirements of the job pulled straight from the government's labor data. Although we eat at restaurants and deal with hospitality workers on the regular, we never realize how much pressure they are in, and this disconnection can often lead to massive misunderstanding and poor treatment of service workers. As an expediter and food runner as myself, I have personally navigated through this chaos, and I can tell you firsthand, surviving dinner rushes can build skills that are highly applicable in absolutely any other career. Today, I'll be talking about the three major advantages of this experience: learning transferable communication skills, gaining exceptional time management under immense pressure, and finally, developing a lifelong empathy for other workers. First, let's take a look at the fundamental skills you gain the moment you step in the restaurant floor. Experience gained through employment in a restaurant helps you develop incredibly valuable skills like communication and conflict resolution. In a restaurant setting, communication is key. You need to be fast, you need to be effective with communication. It's crucial to keeping the business running. According to a Bureau of Statistics in 2024, food and beverage service workers must listen to complex customer orders and relay them back to the kitchen flawlessly. You are the crucial bridge in the loud dining room to the chaotic kitchen, and if communication breaks down, the whole system goes down with you. Furthermore, the environment forces you to learn how to de-escalate conflicts in real time. If, let's say, there's a customer complaining that their food is delayed, that they got the wrong order, you can't just walk away. You have to stand there, listen to them, and problem solve on the spot while behaving with the utmost professionalism. These daily interactions rapidly build these skills that major employers are looking for. According to a 2024 scholarly article published on ScholarWorks at Grand Valley State University, skills like teamwork, communication, and self-management actually improve guest perception and establish successful collaboration in any workplace. Whether you end up in a boardroom, a hospital, and or an accounting firm, knowing how to talk with frustrated people is very, very crucial. Although communication is the bias of every job, applying these skills in highly stressful situations is where the real challenge begins. For example, the fast-paced character of restaurants forces employees to develop time management skills and the ability to work under extreme pressure. During dinner rushes, a restaurant worker must perform various tasks such as seating tables, running hot foods. All these activities and this environment trains your brain to prioritize activities based on urgency and importance. You build spatial awareness so that every single trip out of the kitchen is effective and you never walk anywhere empty-handed. To do this, you have to acquire physical and mental stamina. According to a 2024 Bureau of Labor Statistics Occupational Outlook Handbook, Food service workers spend most of their shift performing heavy physical activities. This includes standing for hours on end, carrying stock weighing up to 50 pounds, and doing this with a smile on their face. But besides the physical and mental skills you gain, there is an emotional change that happens when you put on the apron to go serve. Having first-hand experience in this industry helps you develop a deep sense of empathy towards other food service and hospitality workers, and changes the way you view them for the rest of your life. Once you have been the person getting yelled at for something completely out of your control, like a kitchen equipment failure, or delayed delivery, your perspective shifts. You start giving more grace to other food service workers, to other hospitality workers, and realizing that they're humans and not just robots. This empathy is not just a personal advantage, it's a fundamental change that changes the dynamics of service. According to a 2021 article by the Customer Service Forum 3C Logic, employee empathy creates a connection on a deeper human level, directly driving positive experiences and long-term loyalty in customers. I firmly believe that everybody should work at a service industry for 6 months or 6 months to a year, so that we can change how we treat our hospitality and service workers, rather than just treat them with disrespect. So in conclusion, the lessons learned in the restaurant just go far beyond its walls. Today, we discussed on how working in the food service industry gives you better communication skills, better conflict resolution skills, and teaches you time management skills under stress. Thank you all for listening to this speech, and have a great night.